10 Best Alternative Remedies that will stop your cough. 1. Turmeric. The herb turmeric has a therapeutic effect on coughs, particularly a dry cough. 2. Ginger. Ginger is one of the most popular natural cures for a cough. 3. Lemon. Lemons can be used in a variety of ways for curing coughs. 4. Garlic. Garlic has both antibacterial and antimicrobial components that help treat coughs. 5. Onion. One of the simplest home remedies for a cough is to cut onions. 6. Hot milk with honey. Hot milk with honey can relieve a dry cough and reduce chest pain you may be experiencing from continuous coughing. 7. Cayenne. Cayenne helps reduce chest pain due to continuous coughing. 8. Carrot juice. Carrots have many vitamins and nutrients that can help relieve various symptoms of a cough. 9. Grapes. Grapes have properties that act as an expectorant, releasing the mucus from the affected parts of your respiratory system. 10. Almonds. Almonds have nutritional properties that play a proactive role in healing cough symptoms.